Ang one-legged fadeaway, ang signature move sa offensive arsenal ng future Hall of Famer at solidong Dallas Maverick na si Dirk Nowitzki. Marami ang nagtangkang gayahin ang premyadong galaw ng 7-footer stretch forward. Pero tanging si Nowitzki lamang ang nakakapagbigay ng kakaibang arte at punyal sa puso kapag nagsimula ng sayawin ang pamosong fadeaway. Mula sa pag-atras ng kaliwang paa hanggang sa pagbaloktot pataas ng kanang binti. Pagkadismaya sa mga mata ang makikita ng mga kabantayan ng German sensation sa siguradong pasok na tira. Mapapusto spin move, spot-up shot at pati na ang biglaang drive. Ang one-legged fadeaway ang tanging goto ni Nowitzki, lalo na sa paglalakbay tungo sa pagiging alamat ng NBA. Ang mga galawan ni Nowitzki sa court ay produkto ng pagtitraining nito sa dating kapitan ng German national basketball team na si Holger Geschwindner. Bagamat masasabing unorthodox ang pamamaraan ni Geschwindner, sa edad na 15 ay nagsimula na nitong hubugin si Nowitzki sa shooting at sa pagpasa ng bola. Pagdating ng 16 na taon, matapos ang impresibong pagpapakita sa training, ay nasali ang batang Nowitzki sa isang second division pro basketball team sa kanyang hometown sa Würzburg. Nakitaan ng potensyal na mag-amang Don at Donnie Nelson na baguhin ni Nowitzki ang mundo ng basketball. Matapos magpamalas ng husay sa isang Nike Hoop Summit basketball game kalaban ng isang junior select US team noong 1998. Matapos ang 3 buwan ay agad na isinalang si Nowitzki sa NBA draft para maging number 9 first round draft choice ng Milwaukee Bucks. At agad na i-trade sa Mavs tulad ng plano ng mag-amang Nelson. Sa kanyang 21 years bilang isang Maverick ay nagtala si Nowitzki ng mga career averages sa 20.7 points, 7.5 rebounds at 2.4 assists. Bukod dito ay tangan din ni Nowitzki ang tanging kampyonato nito at ng Dallas Mavericks sa NBA noong 2011. Matapos talunin ng Miami Heat sa 6 na duelo at hirangin bilang Finals MVP. Para matunghayan ang natatanging galing hindi lamang sa one-legged fadeaways, panoorin natin ang highlights sa basketball career ni Dirk Nowitzki.
Penetrated inside. Dirk more posty. 1-foot shot.
Dallas was down by 11 when the second quarter started. Dirk shooting
The paint. Post up for Dirk. Why go away from success?
He shoots over.
Patch of J.J. Barea, Devin Harris. They just have to make more
Think of beauty so far, but the remedy to rescue that would be Dirk hitting the
You always have to bite on his ability to knock down the shot.
back to Nowitzki. Poked away by Green. Goes back.
He did. Go to Dirk, got in a small on him, Eric Gordon.
Up on Nowitzki. Dirk Nowitzki.
Understand what this guy is. Dirk Nowitzki. Hand down, man down. Knocking down big shots of your Joel Anthony. You got to
You watch it. The ball touches his hands. Haslam's at a bad angle. It's catch and go. It's not catch, stop, and let Haslam set his defense, his feet.
Can't expect him to make every play that time. Baseline drive and Kidd finds Dirk looking in. You see the eyes. Jason Kidd, one of the best to ever do it in passing the rock.
Oh, but a big board there for Chandler. Nowitzki, quick move, and the finish.
But great players are just like death and taxes. Sooner or later, they're going to get you. Dirk, 8 big points in the fourth quarter. Dwindle down the clock, and then outstanding, unstoppable jump shot.
Memory of 2006. He could start forgetting about it as they win the